Hi guys, so today I'm gonna box a Fierycosmetix package. They reached out to me on Instagram and said if I wanted to work with them, basically just them sending me a product for free and then me, I guess, doing a video on Instagram. It's hot, sorry. And what else? So yeah, I do have a discount code with them. It's not 20. If you want to use it, you don't have to. As always, like every other code I have, you don't have to use it. It's up to y'all. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all now the box, and I think it's an eyeliner. So I'm gonna start with this card. Alright, it just tells you how to use it, I think. Okay. What's this? Oh, I think it's a shipping label in case I want to return it. I don't know. So yeah. So the product right here, it's a Fierycosmetix Molder magnetic eyelash. Sorry. So yeah, these are magnetic eyelashes. This is the first time I've tried these type of lashes before. So that's why I also accepted it, because it's new and I like trying new things. I never tried these type of lashes. Oh, they're just like regular. I don't know how they're magnetic, but the packaging though, wow, it's pretty. Pink, mauve. Reminds me of KKW, her beauty packaging, the colors. But yeah, it's pretty. So okay, the next thing is a eyeliner remover, Swabs. Okay, so I guess if you mess up with your eyeliner, you just use this to clean instead of your regular cotton swabs. So that's cool. I'm just gonna open it. Oh wow, so there's like a bunch of packages. I don't know how to use it. Wow, okay, that's cool. Okay, the next thing. Oh, another card. Oh, basically saying thank you, you know, all that. The last thing is this magnetic eyeliner. Okay, this is the eyeliner. Oh, it's black. Let me open. Ooh, the packaging is sleek. It's pretty. Okay, so I've never tried this type of eyeliner either, so it's pretty exciting. Wait, really fuerte. It's so strong, but it's small, it's skinny. I love when it's skinny. It's easy to apply, so, and it's liquid. I love liquid. I just don't use it anymore. I'm used to the pens now, but this is the first liner I use, and I still like. So let me read the instructions of how to use it. So like this right here. So apply magnetic eyeliner along the lash line and wait 3 minutes to dry. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay. Oh, okay, it's fine. So actually, I think I'm gonna put concealer first, like a base. Okay, I also did my brows and concealed my eye. Okay, so I'm gonna start now. Okay, so it's smooth, it's gliding easily. I'm gonna let it sit for 3 minutes. I accidentally ripped the lashes. Look. It's because it's really hard. It's really stuck in there. I had to pull it. Wow. Look. I'm just gonna use it like this. Oh wow. So I'm gonna apply the lash. It doesn't feel magnetic at all. It feels like a regular lash and liner, so I don't know why it's this magnetic. Oh, I don't know. I'm confused. But it works. It looks nice. I would wear this. Okay, so I'm back. I already did it too. And like the other lash, it ripped as well. Look. So yeah, I shouldn't even use my code. Yeah, don't buy this. I regret being a promoter now because I wouldn't recommend y'all to use my code if the product doesn't really work great. I mean, they're soft, they're great, but they rip. I don't know if that's normal. I don't know if it's a lash band or a separate lash band for it just to stick here. Maybe it is, and I'm thinking it's the lash band. I don't know, because it didn't have a lash band. So I don't know, but still. So the next product is the eyeliner remover swabs. It's this one, and I just read here that it's for you to remove your eyeliner. So, but not the lash band. It says you can clean the lash band with these. Only the eyeliner, and then also with the cleanser after that. So it really removes it. So I'm not gonna remove it right now because I need to take pictures and all that. But maybe in a separate video or later, I don't know. Yeah, that's the how it looks. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it overall, but except that it ripped. And they have different types of lashes. They chose for me because I didn't know which one. So I was like, you know what, just pick whatever you want to send me. So yeah, this is a natural one. I think they are cruelty free. I can't remember. Yeah, it says in the back. So they're not magnetic at all. So I think what they mean is just the eyeliner is like a glue, like a twin one that I've tried before, and it's not called magnetic. I don't think the other brands do. It's just like a lash glue with eyeliner together. That's what it is. It's not magnetic. No wonder I was like, they don't, I don't know. I was like, I'll just agree. I'll just say yes, whatever. Sign the contract. But and no, I don't really get paid for using this. Maybe a commission if y'all buy it, but y'all don't have to. So no, it's because of this. I'd rather not get paid or have money, but, you know, because why would I, you know, I don't know, it's up to y'all. So I think that's it for now. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.